Hello everyone. Welcome to the result season quarter 3, or yeah, you can say it's 9 months. So till now, you have seen that for a long time we have been updating the results of all those companies where we have been investing or are thinking to invest. But this time it is different. But this time it is different. So how it is different? As we have announced that this time our students are going to do the research, analyze it and present it with you all. Now, who are the students? They may be IT professionals, they may be builders, they may be housewives, doctors, retired person or the students. Then why should they present to you? Because when we learn, we are responsible for our own portfolio as we would use our learning on our own. But when we teach to others, our responsibility gets higher. It gives more pressure, and more pressure makes your mind expand more. Just like the athletes performing best during the pressure time. This is what we saw during the last 15 days. You saw high participation from North India, West India, East India, South India, Central India, everywhere. Hope you were able to see what you were expecting from these results updation. Now there is the break of 2 days, and again from 27th Jan, daily prime time 9:30 p.m. students would be present in the quarter 3 result of your remaining invested companies. So we would love your feedback that what we should do more in this quarter 3 result presentation. What we should include, what we include during past 15 days was why this sector, why this particular company, what about quality and growth, what about their latest quarter 3 result trend. Trend means Q1 to H1, H1 to 9 months, and now from 9 months, what to expect this year and 10 years from now. You can give feedback in the form which is attached in the link. Your feedback can help improve more. So thank you so much and get ready. Subscribe this channel so that you would be notified during this all result updation which can help your portfolio grow more. Thank you so much. Jai Hind to everyone.